guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmi. In my last video, we have discussed about scent marketing. If you have not watched that video, the link is there in the description below. You can go ahead and watch that. In today's video, I will be telling you 2 scents which you can directly use in your clinic from today onwards, and you can see the result by yourself. But before we proceed further, kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your junior dentist, at least 3 junior dentists, so that they will benefit maximum from the series of video which we are releasing. Before we proceed further, I will brief you about what scent marketing is. Scent marketing is strategically chosen some fragrances which are released at the customer touchpoints. What do I mean by that is, we use certain fragrance as a marketing medium for the clinic or the shop, anything, and these fragrances are placed at such places such that the patients will be affected by those fragrances. When I first heard about scent marketing, I was really confused. I never thought that it can be used in a healthcare setup. I have heard about companies using it like Nike or Starbucks. They have increased their sales by using it. But I never thought that it will be beneficial for us, as we don't sell any product. It's a healthcare sector. It's a patient-based sector. So how can we use it? When I started researching about it, a lot of interesting things I came to know about it. And those are, first, that in the healthcare sector, it's useful. Why is it useful? Because it reduces the patient anxiety. And a lot of researches has been done in various hospital setups, various healthcare setups, where they have used these scents to reduce the patient anxiety. Example, MRI scans. People are, the people are very anxious before going for the MRI scan. They are claustrophobic. So these scents help them. In fact, one of the most dreaded pain is the dental pain, and they have done research on the dental patients, and they have seen that the anxiety level has reduced a lot. Now this is something which we can use it in our clinic setup. There is something, when I was researching about this, something interesting which I have came across was, there are certain companies which are hired by hospitals to provide them the scent marketing mechanism. Like what these companies do is, these companies set up different touch points or different automatic scent releasing things in the hospitals. They do the research and see how the patients are responding, and accordingly they change it. Now these are the researchers which are there, which are present, and these are the companies which are actually hired by hospitals. So we can do it by ourselves. We don't need to hire somebody and all, but we can start doing it by ourselves. How can we do it, and why should we do it? How we can do this? We can do this by installing some automatic diffuser. There are so many in the Amazon and all market. There are so many available. You can buy any one of them and then install it in your waiting area. Waiting area is an area where the patients spend time thinking about it. They are anxious, they are angry, there's a lot of emotions going on. So let's try in the waiting area first. As the famous detergent tagline is, "Pehle istemal kare, fir vishwas kare." Like that, you start using it. Buy a diffuser and buy some scents, different fragrances, and see how your patients are responding. And when you're doing that, always remember, do that research for at least 1 or 2 months. Then only you will get the result. You won't get the result within 1 day, 2 days, or 1 week. See for 1 or 2 months how the patients are responding, how is your staff finding it, everything. Take their feedback so that you'll understand it better. So how we can do it is by buying an automatic diffuser and then installing it in your waiting area. That's the first thing. Now the second thing comes, which scent to use. Now for this I have read a lot of articles where the research has been done in dental offices, in MRI, in certain healthcare sectors, and they have found 2 specifically very useful scents or fragrance which we can use, and that is, one is lavender, Second is vanilla. These are the two fragrances which had given an awesome result in these places. So you can buy those fragrance and start using in your clinic and see the difference. If you have a pediatric setup, then for them what was found was some fruity or sweet smell was something which decreased the patient anxiety. The researchers have told that the students or the kids, they felt that they are not in a dental office, they are in that some different place, maybe some eatery or maybe something else, maybe some ice cream parlor. So that's good, right? We need to reduce the anxiety of the patient so that they'll cooperate with us more, especially in the pediatric sector. We need that. So that's the thing, which two scents to use, that is lavender and vanilla. These are the two flavors, fragrance which has been researched about it. There may be others, you can try different fragrance whichever you like, but these two I would recommend. First you try these two and see the difference, and then you can move ahead with some others also. There are some rose fragrance also which people have responded well with, they have liked it. So these are the three different fragrance which I came across when I did the research about this topic. Now the last thing is how it will affect our patient. It will reduce the patient anxiety. By reducing the patient anxiety, they will respond better, they will cooperate more, and we will be happy to treat them. We will be able to complete the treatment procedure without any headache. Another thing is it affects the employees. When it affects the employees, the staff is happy. They have seen that the result have shown that when we use these lavender and the vanilla kind of flavor, the fragrance, the staff has found that the days were shorter. They were a lot happier. They felt they are not in the clinic or work setup. They are in their grandmother's house or some other comfortable setup. So these were useful for us. These are very useful for us, because when staff is happy, they can handle the patient better in the waiting area. And when these smells decrease the patient anxiety, it's very useful for us. The patient will be relaxed and will accept the treatment much more easily. So these are the different kind of researches which has been done and the things which they have found. In fact, the kids are happy in the pediatric setup, as I have told earlier, that some fruity smell or some sweet smell will affect the kids' anxiety, which is very useful for us. So these are the different kind of scents which I have come across. I would love you to share your feedback, how you liked it, have you used it, was there any result? So start using it right away and see the difference and let us know about it. And also, whenever you are doing that research, don't forget to do it for 1 or 2 months so that you'll get a good kind of response, because in 1 week or 1 day you won't get the kind of response you're looking for. Do the research for 1 month or 2 months so that you will actually know whether this is beneficial for you or not. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share and subscribe us, and don't forget to comment and let us know about your feedback, and also send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to the WhatsApp broadcast list. Until next time, bye.